everybody. I am here today to teach you all what it means to partition a two-dimensional shape. When you partition something, you're sharing one whole object and you're kind of splitting it up or dividing it equally to make new smaller objects. So today we're going to learn what partitioning means to divide into smaller parts equally. So I'm going to give you guys a few examples today of what it means to partition equally and non-equally. When you partition something equally, every part within the whole is the same size. When you partition something non-equally, you'll see different size pieces. So I'm going to kind of walk you guys through this, and let's go ahead and get started. So let's pretend that I have a pizza, an entire pizza to share, and I want to share my pizza equally with Miss Whitmer, Miss Henniger, and Miss Schieffer. So that means I want a piece of pizza, Miss Schieffer wants a piece of pizza, Miss Henniger, and Miss Whitmer all want a piece of pizza. So I want to divide my pizza into 4 equal parts. So here's how you do it. I'm going to draw my pizza here. And what I'm going to do is divide my pizza down the middle. Now I have 2 equal parts and 1 more. Now each of us will get the same size slice of pizza, which I know will make us really happy because we all love pizza. Now, let's say I have that same story again. I get a pizza delivered, and Miss Whitmer wants some, Miss Schieffer wants some, and Miss Henniger wants some, and myself, of course. And so I divide that pizza into 4 slices. And I take my pizza cutter, and here's how I cut it. All right, cool. We all get a slice of pizza. The only problem is that this is not divided equally. Someone's going to get these small, weird pieces on the end, and then one person's going to get this nice big piece in the middle. So none of those pieces are equal. Therefore, it's not partitioned equally. Let's do another story. I have a nice candy bar, and I want to share it with my sister. So I want a piece of the candy bar, and my sister wants a piece of the candy bar. So I would partition that into 2 equal pieces. We're both going to be happy because we're both going to get a nice slice of that candy bar, a nice piece of it. Now, let's have the same story, and I bring home a nice Hershey bar, and I'm ready to share it with my sister, and here's how I break it off. So I might be really happy if I get this large piece, but my sister, who's going to get this small piece, that's not an equal division. So she's going to be a little bit upset with me about that. It's not fair. It's not equal. Let's do one more example. Let's say I have a nice big cookie cake. I know you guys love cookie cakes. And I want to share it with my 2 best friends. So I want a piece. My best friend Tori and my best friend Annie each want a piece. And we want it to be the same size because we love cookie cake. So here's how you divide it into thirds. It's kind of hard to do on a circle to make it look perfect, but if you take each of these pieces, they're all going to be the same size. All right, let's do one last one over here. If I have a cookie cake and I want to share it with my best friends, Tori and Annie, I'm going to divide it into 3 pieces. There you go. Looks fair, right? Well, not really, because this is a huge slice. And even though these 2 slices are equal, they're not equal to that slice. Therefore, that is partitioned non-equally. All right, guys, I hope that you learned the difference today. I hope, first of all, you learned what does it mean to partition a 2-dimensional shape. I also hope you learned when you divide something equally, everything is fair. So each person that gets a piece is going to be happy. If you partition something non-equally, the pieces inside of your 2-dimensional shape are unequal or not equal. So therefore, those people that get some of the smaller pieces, not everyone's going to be happy when you partition a shape non-equally. So your last step today is to complete an activity. It's going to look kind of just like this one, where you're going to practice sorting your shapes. So you'll have some shapes off to the side, and your job is going to be to sort them if they're partitioned equally or non-equally. So now you know what it means to partition or divide a two-dimensional shape. I'll see you later.